And we are back for our next math lesson today. It is still Unit 5, Lesson 5, so 5.5. We are going to be working with area and perimeter. Let's start by reading our goal together at I can calculate. Everybody ready? I can calculate the area and perimeter of different shapes. Remember that calculate means total. And it's different for calculations if you're doing area or perimeter. Perimeter, since perimeter is the distance around a shape, you are going to be just adding those lengths around a shape. And so you can just add those distances in different ways, but that's how you do perimeter. It's the distance around something. If you're going to calculate area, you are trying to figure out how much space is inside something. So just the amount, basically just how big something is on the inside. And I always think about it like with a pool. So by our home, we have a park. And there's that pool. Around the pool is a fence. That's the perimeter. It's how far it is around the outside. And on the inside is the area, how big it is on the inside. So that perimeter, you were adding all the sides area. We're using that multiplication, that formula, that equation of length times width. And always, we are always talking about multiple strategies, and that's what we've been getting to do quite. Ooh, you're gonna see me write this really weird. Sorry, everybody. That's a weird one. Yikes. I'm just gonna redo that one again. Barely can read that. But the last few lessons, that's what we've been getting to do, trying to solve area and perimeter using multiple strategies. Now, for today's, I guess the first question we're going to be doing today is actually going to be one that's going to get you ready for a quiz that you're going to be doing after the lesson today. So we're going to be doing our regular lesson. You're going to have your workbook pages, but then we also have a formative assessment 5.5, or it's called 5.5 formative assessment. I have a how-to video for it again, but you're going to be doing that. And one of the questions is this: what is perimeter? What is area? So I'm actually going to stop right here. It's a short start intro, but I just want you to think about what is area, what is perimeter, kind of think about maybe how they're the same, how are they the different, and how would you explain that? You can come back and you can hear me kind of share my thinking.